Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Arbutus, local and long-distance movers near me. Whether you're thinking of moving across the country or to a new city, a long-distance move can turn out to be the most stressful experience if not handled properly. You will need to change your address with the post office, billers, and utility providers. Besides this, you'll need to prepare to pack all the belongings and move them to your new place. Finding a quality moving company like 3 Movers could help you simplify the moving process. The seasoned Arbutus long-distance movers ensures all the belongings safely reach the destination. Moreover, they will offer a wide variety of relocation services and will document and insure everything. If you try to do a move by yourself, you won't only need to book a truck and cargo for your stuff, but also buy boxes and spend just one whole day packing and labeling everything. Moreover, unless you have moved multiple items, you won't know the surprises that you face. You will find yourself losing additional money on the fuel or losing important stuff. But all this hassle will be taken care of when you recruit Arbutus local movers. Our expert movers have prior experience and will respond immediately to whatever queries you may have. In addition, they will not just shift your belongings in and out of the truck, but also help you in packing and labeling, including these large and delicate items. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Arbutus moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.